Alright, this is Armando going over my alpha build. First, let's go over the milestones 1, 2, and 3 to get done. You can take a quick snap, but we're going to run through the build to see that everything did get completed. We got 4 scenes total. Start, menu, goes right into the game. You can see the camera works. Mic sensitivity. This is to input. As I'm talking, you can see that the green bar will go up and up higher. So that is to basically capture as much or as little input from the microphone. So as I'm talking, it'll go up. Once the meter gets full, you'll notice that the character is launched. A lot of things happened. The character has launched. This is the progress bar up top where you can see the current distance it has gone. You can see that you got +2 and it's a new high score. It's a first playthrough, so the first one is a high score. You can see that I earned 2 coins and it added to the total in the top right. You can see that my high score is the distance that I went. So once I hit reset, the camera goes off. That's a bug that I need to fix. But now that I hit restart, you can see that the best is now where the last current was, because that's keeping track of the last best. So once I get close to it, you can see the white marker showing where the last best was. +2, adding on to my current total up top right. So that is just to show that it does constantly update. Even if I add extra launch, then you'll see it'll drastically change the best once it launches further. You passed and you get a new high score again. And then when you restart, you can see that the best is further out. So it's constantly updating what the next best is, and you have to keep hitting the next best to be able to get a new high score. Yeah. So I have multiple options here. Ideally, I only want 3 here, but this is just to show the add functionality. So it does work when you do the add. This is the reward add. You notice that it multiplied times 3, so it was 2, so it multiplied it times 3, and it did add it. You know, if I do it one more time, 18. So it does add it by watching the video. Ideally, I'd like to do an add bonus. This is going to be for beta for next month. But once I hit spin, then it'll have a spin, what's it called, like a slot reel, and then based on the slot reel we'll show what the bonus is. But for now, for functionality, for alpha, I just throw that in there and then I'll link it when it's ready. Restart, and in the store, again, this is for beta next month, to be able to add in the store and add in upgrades and different characters, animations, stuff like that. So that is the total alpha. Those are all the features. Let's just look at everything again. Recording feature is on the phone itself. It does work with some bugs, and I have to fix that. Basic sounds, sensitivity, currency, add bonus, progress bar. Yep, everything is all in there. So next month, looking at doing milestones 4, 5, and 6, and that's where I'm at now. So thank you.